Let's install our chain. So what I'm going to do first is take our rear chain, sit it up on the rear sprocket, and then just feed it through to the front sprocket. Once I get it up on the teeth for the front sprocket, then I'll just start spinning it from the base to get it around the front sprocket until I can grab it at the bottom. And I'll just pull it on through. Okay. So that was a good fit. That's basically lined up. Now I'm going to take what we call master link. That's what connects the two pieces together. And you can see I have an O-ring on either side of this master link on these poles here. Then I'm going to take some of the grease that came with the chain, lube those guys up, and then set our master link in here. Then we have two more O-rings. Make sure you have a good amount of grease on those also. And then our plate. And then lastly, we'll have our little retention clip. Now you want to install this with the rounded end going in the direction of rotation of the chain. So I'll have the back of it, where I like to look at it as like a little fish's tail out towards the back. Get that lined up, and I like to snap it in with a screwdriver. Perfect. All right, now that that's all hooked up, our chain is now one piece. I can go ahead and make sure our axle is concentric, meaning lined up with each other, and so the rear wheel tracks straight. I'm going to adjust our rear chain and go ahead and torque everything back here.